Hey guys, I'm Harshit Kumar and this is the beginning of day 5. Today is 8th September. I skipped 7th September. I won't explain you right now why I did that. I had some course. So yesterday I went to sleep at 10 p.m. Today I woke up at 8 a.m. That is a total sleep of 10 hours. I don't know how that happened, but it happened. So yeah, I won't be completing the chapters of 7th. I although it's not that I didn't study yesterday. As I said, I will be giving a mock test. I gave a mock test, but I didn't gave it properly. So yeah, it was not a proper mock test. I went I didn't fix the time. I didn't solve the paper in time. I went through the paper. I solved the questions which I thought were tough. So those questions which I knew how I can solve them, I skipped those questions. So it was not at all a proper mock test. So I won't count that as a mock test. So today I will complete all the chapters mentioned in 8th September. That is, I guess, NLM, friction, work power energy, solutions and colligative property, and solid state. I guess these were the chapters. So from today I will skip theories of most of the chapters and I will solve questions faster. So yeah, currently I will focus on both my accuracy and speed, because although we get more time in JEE Advanced, it's not that we can take 15 minutes to solve a question. So yeah, someone suggested to get a rank you have to solve more questions, so I will have to focus on my time also, speed. So I will do that today, and I think I am out of track a little bit, and I'm not sure whether I will get right on track or out of track. So let's see what happens. That's it for today. Thank you.